class or skill that I want to talk about is basics of drawing in Pixlr. So what I can do here is I can take the paintbrush tool and then I can come in here and I can just start drawing. I can also use the pen tool and that will give me slightly different drawing. And there are a lot of different things that we can do with this, but today we're just going to stick with the basics. One of the other things is colors. So right here, I can click on this white color here, and I can choose what color I want. Now it kind of comes with a default palette here. So if instead of that white, I wanted something like this color here, I can say okay. Also, I can go through and start editing my palette. So if I want this red, I can start just adjusting all of the different colors in my palette. And we'll get into more advanced palette options later on. One thing that's very useful here is the eyedropper tool. So if I wanted to mess with this picture and I wanted to make sure that my yellow matched with this yellow, I could use the eyedropper to go here and say I want that exact yellow. And now I can use the paintbrush and I can go in here and mark with that same yellow. And I can make sure that that blends in nicely. So for your assignment this week, you are going to draw a doodle in Pixlr. So we can just say file, we'll create a new image, and we'll just call this a doodle. Now I'm getting ready to doodle. I can, oh, you know what? I did want a background. So let me back out of here. Okay, I do want to turn on a background because I'm going to be drawing on something, so I can choose which color background I want. I'm just going to start with a plain white background. Okay, now I have something to draw on. So I'm going to flip these colors, and then I can draw a smiley face. Yay, I'm so happy to be drawing. Now, hopefully you'll put a little bit more effort into this than I just did, but how do I get this to be a picture that I can upload to Google Classroom? So I'm gonna go to File. I can save it, and then this is giving me the options for what file format I want. We can stick with JPEG or PNG. For this class, it's not going to matter. So I'll just stick with JPEG, and then I can download it. Now this was saved to that same download folder. So if you're doing this on a Chromebook, this would be in a different spot. But then we would move this to whatever location that we need for this class. So that could be onto Google Classroom or onto your Google Drive.